It's been a minute, but let's get to it. Fresh pasta. Here's an important step that I think in making pasta is rolling it out and then folding it into itself like this and then rolling it out again. It does something with the pasta that I picked up, and you do this about 3 times max. I only did 2. Everything that I'm using in this video, as far as the mat, the rolling pin, and this pasta attachment, is down below in the description box, along with this pasta recipe. When making pasta, Flour is your best friend. Do not be stingy with the flour. Since this pasta is fresh, it's not going to take that long to cook. 2 to 3 minutes is all you're going to need. Only if the water is boiling hot. And my green tomato sauce recipe is down below as well. Now let's elevate it a little bit. I'm going to use black truffle oil, but normally you know how we do. This is where we can add our cannabis oil. And that's it. Oh yeah, you can add some Parmesan cheese to it too. I didn't have none at the moment, but go try it. Enjoy.